Hello my friends, welcome to the jewelry channel. I have more unboxing today. Let's have a look. Hopefully this one will cooperate, but we'll see. But as you all should know, I will not stop anything from getting in between me and my pretties. Here we go with another complicated one. Let's see if this does the trick. Yay! Rejoice with me, my friends. One last piece of tape. Now I get to fiddle with the Ziploc. There we go. So what could it be? It feels like a ring. Oh, wow. Okay, we have a gorgeous trillion cut sapphire in the center. And then we have, oh, my eyes are not able to, oh yes, okay. So it looks like we have lined up 3 square sapphires to boot. And on the other side, yet 3 more. My eyes may be seeing more than are there. There's possibly 3, possibly 4, and then of course, why not a couple of extra accents here and there? Set in 14 karat white gold. Quite lovely indeed. Okay, I need to just tell you honestly, I am such a sucker for a trillion cut gem. And you know, it really shows off nicely against the white gold. Oh, quite lovely. So of course, most of you probably know, sapphire is September's birthstone. And this one is quite lovely. Boy, that trillion cut really speaks for itself. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous indeed. And for a little bonus, I have another package I'm going to share with you. So let's put our gorgeous trillion cut sapphire ring down for just a second while we open up another package that's a little complimentary, shall we say. So let's figure out how to open this baby. Let's see. Oh, and there it is. So on the complimentary side, I say that because this should also be sapphire with a little twist. Most people expect blue when they think of sapphires. I have gorgeous, oh my, really gorgeous pink sapphire earrings. Are they not gorgeous or what? So we have pink sapphires up at the top here, and then as we go slowly down, I guess technically you could call it pink sapphire as well, but some of you may refer to it as, drumroll, ruby. Because did you know, my friends, rubies are red pink sapphires. They are, in fact, the same family. Is that not gorgeous or what? I've mentioned inclusions before because those elements are what gives our favorite gems their color hue. So you have a blue sapphire, and then you have red sapphires, known as rubies, also with that pinkish look, and then all the way up to the top gems here. People refer to those as pink sapphire because they're not as quite red as a ruby, but they are quite lovely. And I have to look at this mate to our earring here. Lovely indeed. Oh, and let's throw in some diamond on the French hook because why not? Gotta love that little extra sparkle. They're quite lovely indeed. Let's see, up against my hand. Oh, yes, these were made for my ears. I love them. Well, I digress. Thank you for joining me once again for my unboxing of pretties.